The data structure in the application is predefined. If you want to work with personalized content, you can customize the structure in the main menu, Settings, Data Structure. Only the recipient's email is required, email column name, without which the mailing would not be sent. However, to make your emails personal to your customers, you have additional columns with salutation, first name, and last name. You can also use the note column where you can save, for example, a discount coupon code. Here you can see an example of an import file with these columns. You will need to know the data structure when importing recipient data. In the main menu item, Recipients, create a list. To make the mailing with personalization work properly, insert a specific tag in the desired place in the body or subject of the email, which has the following format: start of square brackets, xp.name column, end of square brackets. You need to enter a specific column name in the space after the period. Let's see what the mailing will look like with the test values filled in, which can be found in the last column. These values are for testing purposes only. In our example, we will use the XP salutation, XP first name, XP last name, and XP note tags. We will insert the tags into the email body. The email preview will show us what the email with the test data will look like. However, always double-check the personalization in the email preview. By using personalization, your emails will not get stuck in the inbox of your customers. Be happy with XCAMPAIGN Light.